Hello, dear friends. This is Dr. Meeta Nihalani, and today I would like to talk about my experience with attending Dr. Jonathan Hardy's webinars. I have been attending his webinars regularly. One of which I can relate now is the webinar on birds and spiders. So it was my first experience with Dr. Jonathan, and I loved it because I loved the way he derives the themes, and also I love the way in which he relates to the provings and the rubrics. So it becomes very easy to connect to the substance he's teaching, and his cases are very, very simple, and one can easily connect to your own patients. So I remember him attending his webinar on fish also. So the way he has beautifully derived the themes of lightness, of buoyancy, of heaviness, of the fish being in groups and the fish being insulated, and the way the fish love colors. So it was so beautiful that everything comes together, and you can, in an 1 hour, you can see the wisdom he has achieved in this year. So it becomes very easy when one listens to these webinars. It is an extract of their experience of 10, 15, 20 years. So I would love to request everyone to attend his webinars. And also I'm looking forward to a webinar on imponderables, which is coming shortly. Even I have some cases of imponderables. One is of spectrum and one is of soul. So in these cases, what I saw was the patients, they just talk about, in the case of spectrum, the patient was just talking about light going into other dimension, it being timeless, in being in timeless zone. It was not at all material. She was talking only about things which we could relate in the world, which is called a imponderable. So there were things, the themes were totally imponderable. It means you couldn't ponder what she's speaking from, where she's coming, because they talk about only a dimension which is not existing here. It's not here and now. So I'm looking forward to how Dr. Jonathan looks at imponderables, because it is a very, very important kingdom, you can say. Also, I had a case of soul in which I saw that girl was totally ungrounded, and you couldn't see that. I could see that she doesn't belong to this world. She just spoke about a light. She spoke about the sun, and she spoke about only the purity which she has within. And she couldn't connect to people because she found them impure. She found them having those materialistic values. And she was only, even if you took her to the meditative state, she just talk about a light, a pure light, which gives birth to everything in this world. So I would really, really request you all to please attend this webinar of Dr. Jonathan Hardy. I'm very sure, even I'm looking forward, I'm very sure that he will give us more themes. And thank you very much. Thank you, Other Song, for organizing these webinars and bringing gems of homeopathy from all over the world. Thank you.